want to make a new friend? Look at the tail. Oh my goodness, what came out? Holy cow. I did not see that coming. It's okay. You want back in? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Go on. It's okay. Ginger. Ginger, be gentle. Gentle. What? You wait for the Dobby? Hmm? It's okay. Gina, it's okay, baby. It's okay. I know, they're noisy. I know. Hey. Gingy, come here. Ginger, no. Hey, none of that. You don't need to eat their food. You can be friends, though. Yeah, you can be friends. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are we going to be friends? Hi. Ginger. Ginger. Yeah, they kind of look like you, huh? Hi, Gina. It's okay. Gingy, be nice. Be good. He's scared. Oh, sweet girl. Sweet girl. Yeah. It's okay. All right, let's give him a break.